Welcome to Junior Jam Jar channel.
In the morning light, she skips through the grass with a giggle and a smile. Oh, how the moments pass. Chasing after chickens, they scatter and fly. A baby girl's laughter like music in the sky. The cows are lowing and the pigs are in the mud. She sings to the sheep while they munch on the cud. With a straw hat on her head and dirt on her knees. In her little farm world, she's as happy as can be. The barn doors swing wide and the sun shines bright. She twirls with the goats, what a joyful sight. With a heart full of dreams and a spirit so free. Every day's an adventure, just her in the sea. As the sun sets low, painting skies of gold, she whispers to the stars with stories to be told. In her farmyard kingdom where love never ends, a baby girl and her animals forever best friends.